because HondaiN actually uses the same interface as PartSmart, you're going to need to go through the setup process for PartSmart first. That'll get you started with your prefixes and your basic setup that you're going to need to do. Once you get to that point and you install the HondaiN program, you're going to probably select the Softtech interface if it asks. And what we're going to do in this video is actually go through some of the manual things that you're going to have to do to get this running. Now eventually we're going to have Honda actually modify their software so that it includes NISIX as one of the options, but until then this is the process to go through to actually get this working. It's not too bad. Once you get the software installed, we're going to go down here to Start, and we're going to click on Run, and we're going to type in CMD, and we're going to go open up a DOS shell, and we're going to type in CD / enter, and I'm just going to look here at the name of the files. We're going to CD to HOR, and we're going to hit the tab key. We're going to put in a /. We're going to go into the catalog folder, so we're just going to type CAT tab to get into catalog, and then bin. So we're CD to /, or in this case I went to the root folder first, but you're going to go into HORJHA catalog bin, and you're going to open that up. Once you're in there, we're just going to edit the config file. And from here, the changes that we want to make are the request file path is going to be C:\PSL. The request file name is going to be BSIO_IN.temp. And note also that we have a / up here on the back of the PSL. The response file name is going to be the same thing, C:\PSL \. And then for the response file name, it's going to be BSIO_out.temp. And then we're going to, for the executable file path is going to be C:\PSL \. And the executable file name is going to be PSL.BAT. And then for the executable, the invoice executable file name, I just cleared that out because we don't really need that in the case of working with Lizzy. And that is all we need to change. Once we're there, we're just going to click on File and then Exit. And since you've made changes, it'll actually ask you to save. I didn't make any changes, so it didn't ask me to save anything. Now, once we have that modified, all we've got to do now is open up the Honda parts in parts catalog, and from here, when we go in and select a model number, select a year, select a crankcase, or whatever it is that we want to do, we'll double click on this. We'll come down here and select just the checkbox here, and you'll notice over here on the right that it's actually gone out to Lizzy and gotten the price and the current in-stock quantity, or the quantity on hand. Now if I want to process that and push it on into a pick ticket, or something that we're going to push into Lizzy, then we just come up here and click on this little icon here and tell it to send it over to Lizzy, and that'll go out and process it, and it just comes back when it's done, and it's cleared our checkbox and gotten rid of everything. From there, you just go into Lizzy and go through the same processes that you go through with PartSmart to get the items over to the invoice.